What's up, kid? Too technical. I'm back again with another video. As you can see here, I do have a product from Treblab. They were kind enough to send me out their new portable wireless speaker. This is the HD Force. So this has 50 watts of power, built-in power bank, IPX6 water resistant, so you can take this by a pool. This can get wet in water. Twist mode, ability to pair two speakers. So let's see what we get here. They sent this out to me, but let me show you where you can go pick this up for yourself. This speaker will cost you $129.97 plus tax, so about $130 something. And this is everything that it says it can do, all right here. So if you want to look at that for yourself, you can pause this video. But here's your product right here. This does look nice. It has a little strap so you can carry it. This is a nice speaker. This is a big speaker. I didn't think it was this huge. Yeah, this is a nice speaker. So, and it says it has 60 watts. So that bass, this should have some good bass. I'll test that out later on. But let me peel all of this paper off at the bottom here. So if you like to throw parties by the poolside, then hey, this is a speaker for you. So you do get your cables here. As you can see, you can put a headphone jack in there. That's your aux cord, so you want to plug this up to your car. You do get your charging port. That's where you can stick a SD card in there, like I said. Then you get USB Type-C, so you can charge this USB, then USB Type-C, and it has a cover strap on it because this can be in the it can get wet. Then at the top here you have your power button, volume up and down, your volume up button, your pause button, your play button, and then volume up and your down button. LED lights to indicate that it's on. This is a LED light that goes all around the speaker. So it says Treblab. So let me see here if I can find some uncopyrighted music real quick, so we can test this speaker out. So once you cut it on, as you will see, you do get all the LED lights up. This tells you, how full it is, how more you need to charge it. It's not fully. This one is blinking, so it has an okay charge. Then like I said, you get that handle so you can carry this. This is really cool. It's really cool to have a nice speaker. This is one of their newer speakers, I believe. So when you want to connect your Bluetooth on, so this can pair with Bluetooth and Android devices. As you can see, it says Treblab HD Force. So all I'm going to do is hit connect, and it makes a little noise once it connects. And then now we can go into where I'm going to play that music from CapCut. So now let me just act like I'm gonna add a song to something so you can hear it. So let's do some hip hop real quick. This is non-copyrighted music. Okay, so that's what it would sound like, and that's not even up full. But now I'm gonna turn it up. And that is literally rattling my desktop. So now let's try another song. Yeah, that speaker here, this is a partying speaker for sure. See how loud that gets? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you you take this, you have this at a party, you'll be the talk of the night, talk of the show. This is really, really cool. I just wanted to do an unboxing and let you see how it sounds. Later on, I will come back with taking it outside and seeing how far I can go with it paired to my iPhone before it says that it is no longer paired. But I think it has a good range on it. But overall, this is what this looks like. I'm going to play one more song and then I'm out of here. So that's loud as it can go right there on the iPhone though. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.